Here is a beautiful, beautiful sapphire blue, I believe, Zippo. Kind of like pin-up-y, you can see her curves, her chest, you can see her figure. Blue all around. This is a 2006 Zippo. I bought it used. It's been fired. So we're going to take out the flint. And then we're going to bag her and keep her pristine. Nothing to it. I haven't seen this, I've seen it before, this design, but I haven't seen it a whole lot on being resold. Inserts also 2006. Beautiful sound. And I'm just gonna clean her off with my shirt. And there she is, she's bagged, and she's gonna stay displayed. I love this Zippo though, very beautiful. Pretty color. Thanks.